This is a continuation of the previous video we did that generated QR code. So in this video, we're going to ask the AI to do more, to add more features. And I have this creating prompt that I'm going to tell it to follow. So I'm asking it to add some features. So while maintaining the aesthetics, let's take it a little further by including the following features. So we're talking about the previous application that we created. So I'll prompt it with this, then click on send. So it comes back and shows me this. Having looked at all that I've sent, so this is what it has generated. All right, so now I'll go through it, and it has a plan how it's going to implement it. So I'll now say go ahead with the implementation. So click on send. It goes through a process and it shows what it has. What he needs to do to implement it. I'll say install. Then these are the files that it has created that will make it all work. So I'll say accept all. Okay, so now this is how it looks. Okay, I'm showing you this is how it looks currently. So I'm now saying add about screen, though that wasn't added in the first prompt. So add about screen. So then also add it to the navigation bar. So means that add the about screen, then also add it to the menu so I can navigate to it. Now I say accept all. So as you can see, then this is how it looks. So now you see that I go to history, nothing is there. Then I can practically, then if I save it, click on save, see that it looks very nice. It saves it. It saves the generated URL. I can scan a live image, as you can see. So I just scan that from a bottle. You can see that it comes up. So I can click on save. See that it has saved. These are all the ones I've been working on. So I can also delete all the activities here. I can always delete them. Like you can see, just click on that little trash can, so it's deleted. I recently purchased an EcoFlow power station. So let's scan it. I actually have not scanned it. Let's scan it to see what we'll have. So what we'll do now is I look for where the QR code is. So you see that this is their Facebook account. You can see Facebook group EcoFlow UK. Then I'll go to the app one. You can see that I have download.ecoflow.com. You see that. So this is all that I have that I could scan. So I can scan it live. I can scan live QR code. Then I can pick the QR code from existing QR code that is in the gallery. Okay, then I can also generate, as you can see. So it's a complete and fully functional app where we can generate QR code. You can scan live QR code from any object. Then we can generate text from existing QR code in the gallery, and so on and so forth. So you see that it works perfectly. So with this, I'm no longer going to be using any other app that has to do with QR code generation, scanning, and all that. I actually have my own. So I'm going to now package this to have it in my phone like permanently. So it will not be the one I'm going to be using as my daily driver or whenever it is needed. Okay, so you see that it works properly. I can scan live QR code. I can generate new QR code. Then I can get QR codes text from, and I can get text from existing QR code that is in the gallery. So you can see that the history has all of them. So here I can pick, see, these are the ones that I've done. So I can just pick an existing one like this. That's what you have. So then I can copy it, can copy what has been scanned, so I can paste it somewhere else. So I can share this to any social media. Like here, I can share this one on Twitter or on X, and it will be shared. If I click on any of these rows displayed here, it will literally go to the web page. Specifically, if I touch this particular one, it's going to take us to this YouTube channel. As you can see, AI will never take your job if you are ready to adapt. I hope this helps you. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel if you have not done so already. Like the video and share it. Thank you for watching. See you in another video.